Hi, the people of YouTube. This is Joshua Bates 123, and this is our YouTube channel. As you can see in the title or in the picture ID, we are the Wolf Pack, and you might know me as Joshua Bates 123. I have a YouTube channel. I'll put it in the link. We are a group of three: me, Joshua Bates, Connor Shane, and Christopher Crusade. We all have channels. I'll put them in the description because this is like the fifth time I've made this video, so I'm not going to go into any detail. But this is going to be a channel of gaming, reviews, and just some silly stuff. Maybe like a vlog there and there. Maybe like a video of how to survive high school because I'm about to go into high school. And, this is just a channel to have fun. And we hope you guys can help us because we won't be the next, the Preachers, Chimney Swift, Captain Sparkles. We won't be the next big thing. And we want you guys to help us grow all channels and this channel. One reason why we made this channel is because of the Preachers. If you know who the Preachers are, they're like the most famous business YouTubers on YouTube, and they inspired us. So we kind of made a channel that's similar to theirs, except, we're not the Preachers and we're not as famous. And, but we hope that you guys can help us be just like the Preachers, get to the top, you know. Gaming, here's kind of like a little thing. We won't be gaming for a long time because we have to buy the equipment and stuff. Like, we have the money to buy it, but because we're just kids and we have to go to school, we don't make that much money. So it's gonna take us a while to start gaming, probably like a year or two, but we will get to that. Um, if you didn't know, we're not like brothers or anything. We're just cousins. They come over every couple of weeks, and we're just cousins and stuff. But but we're just three cousins who wanna grow up and be YouTubers like Captain Sparkles, The Preachers, Uber Hacks for Nova, Dan's News. Just the list goes on and on. We won't be the next big thing. Um, there probably won't be a video going up today except for this one, of course. But yeah, gaming is out of the option for probably a year or two until we can get the money. Um, we actually have tablets, so, Chris and Connor, as you can see, Connor's the one wearing the coats, and Chris is the one doing this. And, they both have tablets, so they're able to make videos every couple of days, and me, I have to worry about my channel, so, there won't be too many videos up. you know. Probably like over the summer when we don't have to go to school, there'll be a lot of videos because they can come over like every day or something. But that's pretty much it. We just wanna be big famous YouTubers, and yeah. So hope you guys can help us. Subscribe, like the video, tell your friends that the wolves are coming, and have a nice day. We hope that we can entertain you in the future and more videos to come. So, bye.